Welcome to this tutorial on the advanced SED command. In this video, we will explore the power of pattern matching and text manipulation in Linux using SED. SED is a powerful stream editor that can perform a variety of text transformations. Before we dive into advanced techniques, let's review the basic SED syntax. The SED command follows a pattern action structure, where you specify what to find and what to do with it. The basic syntax is SED followed by options, then a regular expression for the address, followed by a command, and finally the file name. Here are some common operations. To substitute text, you can use seds/pattern/replacement/file.txt. To delete lines, you can use sed3dfile.txt, where 3 represents the line number. To print specific lines, you can use sed5pfile.txt, where 5 represents the line number. SED offers advanced pattern matching capabilities using regular expressions. Here are some examples. To match one or more digits and replace them with the word number, you can use the command seds/0 to 9+/number/file.txt. With the extended regex flag, you can use extended regular expressions. For example, seds/Jan-February-Mar/Q1/file.txt uses extended regex to match any of the first 3 months and replaces it with Q1. To match a word only as a complete word and not as part of another word, you can use word boundaries. For example, sed/board/b/word/file.txt matches word only as a complete word. You can also use capturing groups to capture parts of the matched text and use them in the replacement. For example, seds/w+/1/file.txt captures the first capital letter and replaces the whole word with just that letter. SED allows you to target specific lines or ranges of lines using address ranges. To delete lines 5 through 10, you can use the command sed5 10dfile.txt. To replace text only on line 3, you can use sed3s/old/new/file.txt. To apply a command from line 2 to the end of the file, you can use sed2 $s/foo/bar/file.txt. You can also target lines matching specific patterns. To delete lines containing the word error, use sed/error/dfile.txt. To replace text between lines containing the words start and end, use sed/start/comma/end/s/old/new/file.txt. You can also combine line numbers with patterns, such as in the command sed5/end/s/foo/bar/file.txt. Pattern addresses are powerful for processing structured text like logs or configuration files. SED provides powerful substitution options to fine-tune your text replacements. The G flag replaces all matches in each line, not just the first occurrence. The command looks like this: seds/old/new/g-file.txt. The I flag makes the pattern matching case insensitive. The command is seds/error/error/gi-file.txt. To replace only the second occurrence of a pattern on each line, you can use the to flag, sed/foo/bar/to-file.txt. The p flag, combined with the n option, prints only the lines that were modified. It looks like this: sed/ns/pattern/replacement/p-file.txt. SED can perform operations that span multiple lines. The n command appends the next line to the pattern space. For example, to join lines containing the word continued, you can use the command sed/continued/n s/continued_n/file.txt. The d command deletes the first line of the pattern space. For example, sed/pattern/n file.txt. Use the hold buffer to store and retrieve text. H copies the pattern space to the hold space, while H appends the pattern space to the hold space. G copies the hold space to the pattern space, and G appends the hold space to the pattern space. The X command swaps the pattern and hold spaces. The hold space is powerful for complex text transformations requiring state. Here are some real-world examples of multi-line operations in SED. To join paragraphs into single lines, you can use the command sed $$ and $\n $ba s/\n file txt. This joins all lines in a paragraph, which are separated by blank lines, into a single line. To replace text across line breaks, use sed/start/comma/n/s/foo ***replace/g file.txt. This replaces text that may span multiple lines between start and end markers. To extract content between HTML or XML tags, use sed:\title /title /s/title \title /1/p file.html. This extracts and prints only the content between title tags. To swap each pair of adjacent lines in a file, use /n s/\n /2\n\1/wink with tongue sticking out. The file text. SED allows you to control the execution flow using conditional statements. Use test commands to conditionally execute commands. For example, an if-then structure is sed/pattern/s/foo/bar/s/baz/cux/file.txt. This applies the substitutions only to lines matching the pattern. You can also use branching with labels. For example, sed/pattern/b next, s/foo/bar/ next file.txt. This skips to the label next if the pattern matches, otherwise, it performs the substitution. The T command allows you to branch if a substitution was successful. For example, sed loop s/foo/bar/ tloop file.txt. Here is a practical example that removes duplicate blank lines. $$n $$n$d file.txt. Let's look at some practical SED script examples. To extract the third field from a CSV file, you can use the command sed s/********************************* ***3/data.csv. To remove C-style comments from a file, you can use $$$code.c. To extract IP addresses from a log file, use $$$0-913\0-913\0-913\0-$1/1/access.log. To strip XML or HTML tags from a file, you can use sed:\*****g file.xml. Here are some best practices to keep in mind when working with SED. Always test SED commands with the in and p flags before modifying files. Use i.boc to create backups before in-place editing. For complex operations, consider writing SED scripts in separate files. Use e for extended regular expressions to improve readability. Always comment your SED scripts for maintainability. Here are some further resources for learning more about SED. The GNU SED Manual is a comprehensive reference. SED and awk by Dale Doherty and Arnold Robbins is a helpful book. The Grimoire SED tutorial provides in-depth examples. Regular Expressions 101 is a useful website for testing regex patterns, And SED.js is an online SED command tester. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.